and welcome to English Grammar Cafe. A sentence has many words and each word falls in a different category. And all these categories are called parts of speech. And today we are going to learn parts of speech. At the end of the video, if you have any query or doubt, write to me in comment section. I'll resolve them. Now let's start today's lesson. Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now let's see nouns. Nouns क्या होते हैं? Nouns are the names of a person, place, thing, idea or any emotion. किसी भी व्यक्ति का नाम, किसी भी चीज़ का नाम, किसी भी इमोशन का नाम, किसी भी आइडिया का नाम नाउन होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यति इज अ गुड गर्ल. हियर यति is a name of a girl. So Yati is a noun and girl is also a noun. Now the next one, pronoun. Pronoun are the words which are used in place of a noun. वो शब्द जो किसी noun की जगह यूज किए जाते हैं वो pronoun होते हैं. For example, she is a good girl. Here you can see that in place of Yati, I have used she. So she is a pronoun because मैंने इसको यति की जगह यूज़ किया है. So she is a pronoun. Now our next part of speech is adjective. Adjective is a word which tells us more about a noun or pronoun. वो वर्ड जो हमें किसी नाउन या प्रनाउन के बारे में ज़्यादा बताए, those words are called adjectives. When I say she is a good girl, so good is adjective because it is telling me what kind of girl she is. Good. So good is adjective. Now the next is verb. Verbs are action words like eat, sleep, go, come and many more. She speaks English fluently. So here speaks is verb because it is an action word. Next part of speech is adverb. An adverb is a word which tells us something more about the action word in the sentence. For example, she speaks English fluently. Here fluently is adverb because fluently tells us how does she speak. Fluently. So fluently is adverb. Now the next part of speech is preposition. Prepositions are the words which show relationship of a word to the other word in a sentence. For example, the book is on the shelf. Here on is preposition. And if I speak the sentence without on, what will I say? The book is the shelf. Now are you able to get the meaning, correct meaning of the sentence? No. Prepositions help us to get the correct meaning. So prepositions are very important. Now the next one is conjunction. Conjunctions are the words which join two nouns or two pronouns or two sentences like and, but, because, neither nor and so on. For example, Yati and Alisha are good friends. Here Yati is a noun, Alisha is a noun and I have joined these two nouns with the word and. So and is conjunction. Now the next is interjection. An interjection is a word that is used to show sudden and strong feeling or emotion. Suppose you get hurt and then what do you speak? what comes out of your mouth suddenly? Ouch! So the word ouch is interjection word. When I say wow, what a beautiful room. So the word wow is an interjection word. So now I hope that parts of speech are clear to you. In the following videos, we'll learn all these parts of speech in detail. So stay tuned to the channel and watch all the videos. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Bye.